In this lesson, we will understand the benefits of MCP for AI development. So let us see. The Model Context Protocol delivers transformative advantages for AI development, addressing critical challenges in building scalable, secure, and future-ready applications. Here are the benefits. First, for AI application developers, seamless integration, that is, it eliminates the need for custom connectors and speed up development. Focus on innovation, that is, dedicates time to enhancing AI features instead of wrestling with API integrations. Future ready architecture, automatically compatible with new MCP servers, ensuring long-term adaptability. Lower maintenance overhead, benefit from standardized error handling and built-in security practices. Now let us see the benefits for MCP server developers. Cross-platform reach, build once and deploy across multiple platforms effortlessly. Unified tooling, leverage consistent development patterns for efficiency and reliability. Thriving community ecosystem, tap into shared knowledge, tools and collaborative growth. New business horizons, unlock opportunities by offering specialized data and services. Now let us see the benefit for end users. Seamless experience, AI assistants that intuitively understand and work with your data. Enhanced capabilities, instant access to real-time information for smarter interactions. Privacy control, freedom to decide which data sources you connect and share. Cost efficiency, eliminate redundant integrations and reduce expenses. Now let us see the technical advantages. Type safety, automatic schema validation ensures reliable and predictable data handling. Streaming support, enable continuous real-time data flows for dynamic AI applications. Resource management, optimize connections for performance and scalability. Error standardization, consistent error reporting simplifies debugging and maintenance. So in this lesson we saw what are the benefits of Model Context Protocol for AI development,